I'm gonna show you how to do a distant rumble sound effect on Mainstage. So, let me get an example of what this sounds like for you. Hopefully you can hear that. It's just coming through my straight MacBook speakers, so I apologize if it's not super good quality. But it is like a super deep rumble sound that you can use for any sort of, I guess, creepy music or to build tension. So how we get to it, you have Alchemy, browse, and then you're in Soundscapes, and you're gonna scroll down to Celestial Waves. Come over here. We're gonna select rumbling and add reverb, resonance, cutoff, geosize. I don't even know what that is. Density, and then this is what I have set for the attack, decay, release, and sustain. You can probably adjust that to whatever fits your fancy. And then what else we have on here is we have this channel EQ cut around 100K, and then high cut around 2K, and I think I threw a gain on here because it's kind of quiet. It's 5.5 decibels, and then a compressor. So not sure if the compressor is even needed, but you can throw it on there. Then the last thing I did is I threw a transposer on here because if you can see, I have it, it's the purple one. So I have it set all the way to the bottom of my keyboard. So it's literally just set to one note. And if I was to keep it down here, you wouldn't even be able to hear it. But I set the transposer up to 24 semitones up, and it turns out really well. So, whoops, wrong one. Let's go Command K, not Command M. And again, there you go.